Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Warm greetings to you all. Today's video is of English, Unit 4, Poem number 30, A Book Speaks. I'm going to recite this poem for you all. Sing along with me and then we will move ahead with narration part. So let's start. When you drop me on the floor, I get stepped on, my sides are sore. Torn out pages make me groan. I feel dizzy if I am thrown. Every mark and every stain on my covers gives me pain. Please don't bend me if you do. I don't want to talk to you. But we will both be friends together if you protect me from the weather and keep me clean so that I look a tidy, neat and happy book. So here, my dear friends, this is a poem in which a book talks about its feelings. Now, let the book itself share its feelings with you all. So listen carefully what the book has to tell you all.
Hello friends, you and me share a strong relation. Do you know why? Because though you are having online teaching, you all need me every day, every moment to find out your answers, to read out your lessons, to recite your poems and many more things. But do you know, some of you are really doing misuse of mine, and that really hurts me. When you drop me on the floor, I get stepped on. My sides are sore. You know what is the meaning of sore? जब आप खेलते खेलते गिर जाते हो और आपको चोट लगती है, ठीक उसी तरह जब आप मुझे जमीन पे फेंकते हो, मुझे भी चोट आ जाती है. I make noise of pain when some of you tears out my pages. I feel dizzy when I am thrown away. जब आप मेरे पेजेस को फाड़ते हो फेंकने के लिए, खेलने के लिए, मैं रोता हूँ, मुझे भी बहुत दर्द होता है. I feel dizzy. Dizzy means जैसे आपको चक्कर आती है गोल गोल घूमने के बाद, ठीक उसी तरह मुझे भी चक्कर आने लगती है. Any mark or stain on my covers gives me pain. When you scribble on my pages, when you scribble on my cover, it really gives me pain. So my dear friends, I'm requesting all to my readers not to bend me. And if you will do it so, then I will not talk to the person. But still, I will be friends with those who protect me from the weather and keep me clean so that I will look tidy, neat and happy book. My dear friends, I am very useful to you all, and so it's your responsibility that you should take care of me. You should not tear my pages. In fact, you all should put a nice cover on me. You should take care of my pages. You should keep me tidy, neat, so that I will look like a happy book. So now itself, you all have to promise me that you will not do misuse of mine. Simply, you will not tear out my pages. It's not only about me, but it's also about saving our trees. If you will use me carefully, if you will not waste my pages, then we can also save many trees and we can give a little contribution to keep our environment green.
Hey friends, check your description box for your assignment. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.
Subscribe.